let's get started. So basically, when you do makeup, right? Oh, I woke up like this. You need to smell your hair first because that is essential before you do your makeup. So pore fillers are basically to fill up the holes on your face. fill up, fill up the holes. And she's raw dogging this. Using her raw hands are basically moving on. All right, so you need to put the lines on your face, and then you just kind of smudge them in, so that this is basically, I'm pretty sure, like 80% sure that's a foundation. All right, this is Maybelline, and you're going way too fast. Like, how does anybody keep up with these type of tutorials? Okay, so basically, oh, this is like the army type of style, right? So like disguising that you have makeup, because you basically don't want people to know that you have makeup, because you need to let them think that you wake up like this. So yeah, make sure you put it in an army type of style, then just dab, 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 dab. There's a lot of dabbing happening. Yeah, so dab the cheeks. That okay. Switching again. Okay, apparently this is for your eyebrow sticks. So you just kind of swipe. Yeah, just kind of draw on the eyebrows to make them look more eyebrow-like, because God already gave you eyebrows, but society tells you that you need to put more eyebrows on. Okay, so what is this? This is again for the eyebrows apparently, because for every part of your face you need more than. Okay, she switched again already. Seriously, these things are way too fast. Okay, what is this? I think this is more color to your face, because you don't already have normal, naturally occurring colors on your face. So just contour. Wow, look at how bright that cheek is. Seriously, brighter than my future. I can see my reflection. I'm quite sure I can see my reflection. Okay, now you want to switch toothbrushes, because that's very hygienic. You don't want to use the same toothbrush for your face. So one is big and one is small, because your nose is smaller than your face. Duh, logic. Alright, so just swipe. Huda, I bought that one. Alright, so this is Huda Beauty. So as you can see, it's very beautiful because I bought it. So this is for your eyes. This is eyeshadow. So just apply the eyeshadow on both your eyes. Make sure that both of your eyes have eyeshadow on it. And okay, we're still doing eyeshadow. Okay, so we're putting, okay, tap, just Peachy does that. And we're gonna put a second color, because apparently you need more than one color on your eyebrows. So make sure they blend in. They just kind of look like this kind of a third color. Seriously, what? Why? Four? How many colors are you putting on your eyebrows? Seriously, come on, stop. This is not a sustainable way to use makeup. It's so expensive. How are you going to use four at the same time? Okay, five? What? Okay, seriously, this is just a waste, a huge waste of money at this point. I have no idea. This is completely unnecessary. Okay, no, so we're putting on more. Okay, yep, switch the toothbrush. Six. She's using more now. Okay, what? Okay, so lower eyeball also needs color, because you need some symmetry. Alright, look at how freaking nice that is. Quick flick. Sounds like a quick flick. Alright, so this is your what's this called? Eyeliner. It's eyeliner. Make sure they're on fleek. Look at the wings. Make sure the wings are on point. Yes, yep. She basically can fly with those two wings. So that angel wings, basically, look at how perfect they are. Alright, so you need them on both your eyes, because you have two eyes. And then use another Q-tip to just kind of, okay, she's moving on now. Now stick on eyelashes, because again, nobody will love you unless you have longer eyelashes. Yep, just put them on one side first, and then the other. You need tweezers for this, so don't barehand it, or else you'll poke your eye out. Okay, so this is basically lipstick. No, it's not lipstick, guys. It is for the eyebrows. So I was just testing you. And again, make sure you have changed your toothbrush, because it's very unhygienic to use your lipstick for your eyes. This is a very key pointer. You might get infections. So putting butter on your face is actually something that will help your face look a bit shinier, and also keeps bacteria away. This is a proven fact. You can Google it. I'm willing to debate anyone who dares to defy that. Alright, so this is basically some pink glitter, so that when you're dancing in a club, all the lights be shining off your face. What on earth is that? Yeah. Yep, of course that thing goes straight onto your lips. Okay, so this is some more lip gloss, and it's very, very nice. Look at how freaking sexy I am. Make sure you need to bite the lip. Innisfree, basically sponsor me, Innisfree. Okay, so this is some powder that you need to tap out onto the cap, because okay, seriously, why did they put it on the cap? Okay, just keep swiping around, look into the cap. Is it on? Is this on? Has this been recording the whole time? Alright, so where did this jacket come from? Oh my god, look at how freaking beautiful I am. Okay, just revel in it. I'm gonna look at the camera and give you a couple time. Sometime, yeah, purse the lips, make sure you part the lips. That is a typical sexy pose. Alright, wink, look at how freaking sexy I am. Look away and look back at the camera one more time. One more time at the camera, and kiss and goodbye. Don't you wish you were me? It's done!